Hi everyone, I'm Sean Palis from ProSymmetry, and today I'll show you how to surface your milestones on a Tempus roadmap. So from the home page, we're going to browse to Roadmap Management. In this case, I have an existing roadmap. We'll go ahead and click on that. In a separate video, we'll walk you through how to actually create and edit roadmaps. The roadmap's going to load based on your preferences for how you wish to group your projects, your audits, your programs, and so on. And there's a number of additional features here, including the ability to display milestones. So from my roadmap options, I'm going to enable milestones and then select update. This will redraw the roadmap. And now, if I just sort through here, I can find my various milestones surfaced on top of any of my projects. If you'd like to learn more, you can find additional documentation and videos on the Tempus support site or contact us at prosymmetry.com.